Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series on using COGO. In this video, we're going to look at rotating and translating survey data graphically inside of a drawing. We're including this in the COGO section because the coordinate values are actually going to change for the objects, the traverses that we're translating and rotating. So I can accomplish the same thing that I want to accomplish with a rotation or a translation, but I can do it graphically on the screen. Let me show you what this looks like. Now, I'm going to open up the traverse for this foundation. So I want you to see how all that works. And we're going to edit traverse. That opens the traverse view and displays that or selects the point that we just selected in the drawing. Let's come back to our drawing now, and I'm going to right click and tell Traverse PC that we want to rotate this object. Now, I want you to notice the first prompt that I get from Traverse PC. It says, you've selected one or more traverse objects. We're not going to let you just accidentally move something inside a Traverse PC when you don't want to change the coordinates. But in this situation, this is what we want to do. It also allows me to select any other objects that are associated with this traverse. Maybe I've drawn on a porch or something else that I want to move with it. So I'm going to say yes. I want to select that object, and if I follow the prompts at the bottom of the screen, it asks me to left click a base point, so I can be very exact using the snap commands, or in this case I'm just going to pick a point kind of in the middle somewhere by left clicking. Notice Traverse PC creates a little line off to the right, and now as I move the cursor up and down, I'm actually rotating that traverse on the lot. And I want you to notice that I drew dynamic offsets from certain corners of the foundation to the property lines, and they're updating as I move it as well. I'm going to left click now to tell Traverse PC that I'm anchoring that position. Now, everything that I just did graphically in the drawing here is now represented numerically in the traverse view. Okay? So the changes that I just made here, and I think I might have to refresh this. Let's go ahead and just, yeah. So all the changes that I just did graphically in the drawing are now displayed here in the traverse view as if I had done the COGO rotation right from here. Let's do the same thing with the translation. So let's right click, choose Modify Object, Move. Here's that same prompt again, so I'm going to get this anytime I try to change a traverse object. Again, I'm going to pick a base point and just follow the instructions here to move this anywhere on the drawing that I want to. And again, I left click when I'm done. Now, I want you to notice that if I were to try to pick up one of these lines and just move it, okay, Traverse PC says it's not allowed. So I can't do this rotation and translation in the drawing view accidentally. Okay? Traverse PC won't let me. I actually have to tell it I want to rotate this traverse or translate this traverse, and then it allows me to.